Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's latest foldable device, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's lighter, thinner, and packed with new features. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is getting lighter and thinner, minus 12.1 mm thick, and weighing in at just 239 grams. That's a notable reduction from the Fold 5's 13.4 mm and 253 grams. To put it in perspective, it's only 7 grams heavier than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. After 5 years, Samsung finally made the cover screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 usable. It now features a wider 6.3-inch panel. Sure, it's still skinnier than the Pixel Fold and OnePlus Open, but I'd argue it's perfectly usable now, and that's huge news. Now, this one's totally subjective, but I find the sharper, more square aesthetic of the Fold 6 much better looking compared to the Fold 5. Plus, using a sharper frame makes more sense on the Fold 6. It's skinnier when folded and thinner when unfolded, so those sharp corners are less likely to dig into your palm. Of course, we can't talk about a new Samsung phone without mentioning Galaxy AI. Samsung is expected to showcase some new AI tricks designed specifically for the foldable design. Existing features like circle to search and web page summarization will be even more useful on the large display. Let's not forget, the Fold 6 will be the first Samsung foldable to get 7 years of software support. That's a big deal. These updates will keep your expensive device fresh in the long term, making it a killer deal even if you buy one 1 to 2 years after launch. So, there you have it. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is not just lighter and thinner, but it's also smarter and more practical than ever before. With a usable cover screen, sleek design, and long-term software support, it's shaping up to be a fantastic device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates. See you next time.